Handstand, heel pulls, chin to chest. The handstand heel pulls with the chin to the chest are a useful handstand rebalancing drill that builds strength in the fingers and wrists, teaches alignment, and develops the skill to catch at the overbalance. Place the hands on the floor, one hand width away from the wall and shoulder width apart. Kick up to handstand with the heels touching the wall. Tuck the chin to the chest and look up at the sky. This will help to open the shoulder angle and teach awareness of the open shoulder position. Set a nice tight hollow body shape by pulling the ribcage down and setting a strong posterior pelvic tilt. Actively push down into the floor by elevating the shoulders. There should be no daylight between the back of the head and the anterior shoulder. The upper traps should be working hard. From here, start to slowly push the hands and the fingers into the floor, increasing the force gradually. Think about plantar flexing the wrists. When the force is enough, the heels will float off the wall. For the heel pull to be successful, the body must stay set in a nice tight hollow hold. If tension is lost, the hands and fingers will not have control over the body weight. As the heels move off the wall, continue to actively push down into the floor by elevating the shoulders, and you should feel the back muscles working really hard. Use the fingers to control the body weight and hold the feet off the wall for 3 to 5 seconds before relaxing the fingers and dorsiflexing the wrists to move the heels back to the wall softly. Perform the prescribed number of repetitions.